Hi everyone, I am Toby and you're welcome to Nigerian Foody. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Today, we're making a simple noodles recipe. This I have been craving for a while, and after I was done with work today, I sharply entered the supermarket to shop for what was needed to cook these stir-fried garlic noodles. But first, today's shout out goes to Kisu from TikTok. Thank you for your support and comments. Let's begin. I'm using quite a handful of veggies. I got red bell pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, some scotch bonnets and onions. Then I have this mixed veggies I got from the supermarket. It has carrots, green peas, green beans and corn. I have some crushed garlic. This goes well with veggies. I love the taste and aroma. We have 2 eggs. This will serve as one of the proteins in the noodles. We also have our cooking oil and finally our noodles. Begin by washing and cutting all your veggies to a preferred shape. You might want to dice it, slice it or shred it, but I settled by dicing mine as well as the onions. Time to open the canned veggies. If I had my way, I wouldn't have bought this. I prefer fresh veggies, but for now, this will do. Time to boil our noodles. We do this to soften the noodles a bit and prevent them from sticking. So put your pot on fire with enough water. Once the water has come to a boil, add your noodles and cover for about 4 to 5 minutes before sieving out the water. Then in a pan, add a little oil, add your onions and let it bring forth its aroma before adding your veggies. I began by adding the bell peppers before the canned veggies. This was because the canned veggies look so soft, so I wouldn't want it to make it softer than necessary. Let your pepper fry before adding other veggies. I don't know if you've tried adding garlic when you're frying your veggies, but this for me is important. It changes the taste of the veggies and the aroma. So add your crushed garlic and the noodle seasoning. I added 1.5 sachet of the seasoning. Let it fry before adding your sieved noodles and mix well. Once you're satisfied with the taste, put off the heat. We don't want our veggies or noodles to be too soft. In a bowl, break your eggs, add your chopped onions, add your diced bell peppers and your scotch bonnet. Equally add the remaining seasoning from the noodles. But to use the noodles seasoning is optional. You can add salt or other seasoning. Just be flexible as you wish. Mix well and fry with oil in the pan. And our noodles is good and ready to go. You can enjoy it with fried eggs or boiled eggs. And that will be all for now. Try this method of noodles, especially with the garlic, and let me know how it came out. Thank you so much for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking content. You can equally leave a message for me if you want me to give you a shout out in my next video. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.